Stridor and a barking cough, that's usually croup. Say you're evaluating a 12-month-old child who presents with rhinorrhea, noisy breathing, and a bark-like cough. The parents are worried because the child was hospitalized for several days during their 2 previous episodes. Now this scenario seems consistent with croup, but a 3rd episode of Stridor, with the 2 prior episodes resulting in hospitalization, should raise concern about another process. Keep foreign body aspiration and underlying airway abnormalities such as subglottic stenosis or hemangioma in your differential. A child's airway is funnel-shaped, and the narrowest part, about 6 millimeters in diameter, is just below the vocal cords. Airway resistance is inversely proportional to the 4th power of the airway radius. This means that even a small reduction in airway caliber dramatically increases resistance to airflow. Inflammation in the subglottic space, as seen in conditions like croup, can significantly narrow the airway, and the resulting high-velocity turbulent airflow through the narrowed subglottic space causes the characteristic high-pitched sound of Stridor.